Today we're reviewing the Sony ZV-E10 II, and before anything else, look at this moment right here. This is the kind of camera that instantly makes you stop and think, okay, this feels like a serious upgrade for content creation. Pause. Because what Sony has done with the ZV series is not just improving a camera, but reshaping how easy it is for beginners and creators to shoot professional-looking videos without complicated settings or heavy gear. Now in this video we're going to go step by step in a real creator workflow, starting from unboxing, then design, setup, real-world testing, image quality, autofocus performance, low-light behavior, audio quality, cinematic shots, creator settings, comparisons, and finally whether this camera is actually worth your money in 2026. Pause. So let's begin with the unboxing experience of the Sony ZV-E10 II. And right out of the box you get that clean, minimal Sony packaging, nothing flashy, just practical and professional, and inside you'll find the camera body, kit lens depending on your bundle, rechargeable battery, USB-C cable, strap, and documentation, and the first impression is immediate. It feels lightweight but still solid, compact but still powerful, and most importantly designed for creators who want portability without losing quality. Pause. Now moving into design. The Sony ZV-E10 II continues that creator-focused body style with a fully articulating flip screen that instantly tells you this camera is built for vloggers, YouTubers, and solo creators, not traditional photographers. The grip feels comfortable for handheld shooting, the button layout is simple and beginner-friendly, and everything is positioned so you can operate it while recording yourself without confusion. Pause. And one of the most important parts here is the interchangeable lens system. Because this is where the Sony ZV-E10 II becomes flexible. You are not locked into one fixed look, instead you can switch lenses to get ultra-wide vlogging shots, cinematic shallow depth of field, or zoomed product shots depending on your content style, which is a huge advantage for gadget reviewers and YouTubers. Pause. Now let's move into setup, because this is where beginners really appreciate this camera. You turn it on, select language, connect basic settings, and within minutes you are ready to shoot. And the autofocus system is one of the strongest highlights. It uses real-time face and eye tracking that locks onto your subject instantly, even if you move, turn, or shift slightly, and this makes it extremely reliable for talking head videos where you don't want focus hunting or distractions. Pause. Now coming into real-world testing, this is where we actually push the camera in different environments. In daylight conditions the Sony ZV-E10 II delivers sharp, detailed footage with natural color reproduction. Skin tones look realistic without heavy oversaturation, and the dynamic range handles bright skies and shadows fairly well, especially when shooting outdoor vlogs, travel clips, or street content. Pause. And when we move into indoor lighting, the camera still performs well but begins to show its limitations depending on lighting conditions and ISO levels, meaning proper lighting setup becomes important if you want clean professional results. But even then the footage remains usable and consistent for YouTube content. Pause. Now let's talk about low-light performance, because this is where many beginner cameras struggle. The Sony ZV-E10 II performs decently in dim environments, but like most APS-C sensors, you may notice noise creeping in when ISO is pushed higher. However, with controlled lighting or a fast lens, you can still achieve cinematic results that look clean and professional. Pause. Now moving into one of the most critical areas for creators, audio performance. The built-in microphone on the Sony ZV-E10 II is actually surprisingly good for quick vlogs. It captures clear voice, decent separation, and usable sound for casual content, but for professional YouTube videos or gadget reviews, pairing it with an external microphone is highly recommended because it instantly upgrades clarity, reduces noise, and makes your content sound studio level. Pause. Now moving into cinematic performance, this is where the camera really starts to shine, because when you pair it with the right lens and lighting, you get that soft background blur, creamy depth of field, and film-like aesthetic that makes your videos feel premium and engaging, and the autofocus continues to keep your subject sharp while the background naturally falls off, which is exactly what modern YouTube creators want. Pause. And when we zoom into details, whether it's product shots, gadgets, unboxing items, or close-up textures, the Sony ZV-E10 II maintains strong sharpness and clarity, especially in 4K recording mode, where even small details like buttons, textures, and screen reflections are clearly visible. making it perfect for tech reviews and product-based content. Pause. Now let's talk about zooming and lens flexibility, because this is not a fixed lens camera. The Sony E-mount system allows you to choose different focal lengths depending on your needs. So if you want wide vlogging shots, you can go for a wide lens, and if you want tight product shots or cinematic portraits, you can switch to a different lens, giving you full creative control over your framing style. Pause. Now another important thing for creators is color science and editing flexibility. The Sony ZV-E10 II produces clean footage that works well with basic color grading, meaning you can easily make your videos look cinematic or bright and modern depending on your editing style. And this is important for YouTubers who want consistent branding in their videos. Pause. And now let's talk about creator-focused features like background defocus mode and product showcase mode, which are extremely useful for gadget reviewers, because with one click you can shift focus from your face to the product instantly, making it perfect for unboxing and review videos where you need smooth focus transitions. Pause. Now after testing design, setup, autofocus, image quality, low light performance, audio, cinematic output, and creator features, we come to the most important question: should you actually buy the Sony ZV-E10 II in 2026? Pause. The answer is yes if you are a YouTuber, vlogger, or content creator who wants professional quality without going into expensive full-frame setups, because this camera offers one of the best balances between price, performance, and simplicity, especially for beginners and intermediate creators who want to grow their channel. Pause. However, if you are someone who shoots in very low light often or wants extremely high-end cinematic production, then you may eventually upgrade to higher tier cameras, but as a starting or mid-level creator camera, this is one of the strongest options available right now. Pause. And when you see the final cinematic shots of the Sony ZV-E10 II in action, smooth autofocus, sharp detail, soft background blur, and clean color output, you realize this is not just a camera, it is a complete content creation system designed for the modern YouTube era. Pause. So if you are planning to start or upgrade your YouTube journey, this camera definitely deserves your attention. And that is the full in-depth review. And before we fully end this review, there are a few more real-world creator points worth mentioning that can actually make a big difference in your daily workflow. For example, when you are shooting long YouTube videos or multiple takes, the Sony ZV-E10 II stays fairly consistent in performance, meaning you don't suddenly get unpredictable changes in exposure or focus, and that consistency is very important for maintaining professional-looking content without extra editing stress. Pause. Another important thing is storage and file handling, because since this camera shoots high-quality 4K footage, your files can become large quickly, so using a fast SD card and organizing clips properly will save you a lot of time during editing and make your entire production process smoother. Pause. And finally, when you step back and look at the full experience, from unboxing to shooting to final output, you realize that this camera is not just about specs. It's about how easily it fits into a creator's workflow and helps you actually produce content without friction. Pause. And that is what makes the Sony ZV-E10 II stand out in today's YouTube world.